Alright, so today I'll be doing some example solves, and these will have both white and yellow cross. So if you don't do yellow cross, then what you're gonna actually do is just a Z2 before the scramble if I do yellow, and then just scramble from here, and then you can follow along on white. Now I'll list the scrambles down below in the description, as well as CubeDB links to the reconstructions, so that you can look at the reconstructions after this video maybe. And yeah, let's get started. Right, so here's the first scramble. And here white is just better, obviously. Yeah, so what I would do is facing blue, I would do a D prime, L, D, D prime, sorry, to solve these two, and then L, F2 to insert these two, and then D2 to align across. And then we have either this or this as our first pair. This one is obviously better, so I'll do this one. So a U, and then pair these up like this, rotate, and then insert like this. Next we have these two, so just U prime, pair them up like this, and then insert. Then we have these two, so just rotate them to the front because our back slots are already solved. So U2, and then pair them up like this and insert. And then this is our last pair, so just put this corner here, do a sledgehammer, and insert with sledgehammer again to get better EO. Then we have OLL and PLL. Alright, so here's the next kernel. Again, white is better than yellow here. So what I would do is face orange, and then first of all do a U2 to set this up, and then R, F, R to insert these two, then D, L, and D2 to finish off the cross. Then I would do these two first, so do a U, and then R, U, R prime to pair them up, and then insert it into the back. Then we would have these two next, so L prime, U2, L to pair them up, and then U2 and insert. Then these two, so just U prime, and then double sexy to solve it, and then rotate here and just solve this like this, and then insert with sledgehammer to again get better EO, and then OLL and PLL. Alright, so here's our next scramble. Yeah, here I would just do yellow cross. So facing blue, what I would do is R prime, U prime, R prime, F, and that solves these three cross pieces. And then D2, R, D prime to finish off the cross. Then I would do this pair, so just this to pair them up, and then insert into the back. Then we have this pair, so U prime, rotate, and then insert. And here I would just cancel into this pair, so R2, U2, R prime, and that pairs them up. And then insert like this. And then we have this pair, so just pair them up like this. And here you can actually do an S before inserting this pair, and then insert and undo the S move, and that just gives you better EO basically. And here just OLL and PLL. Alright, so here's our next scramble. And just looking at this, I think that white is better. So what I do here is an R, F prime to insert these two, then D, L, F2 to insert these two, and then D prime to align across. Then I would do this pair first, so do a U and then pair them up like this, and insert. And here you can look at these, so just L2 to cancel into them, or into this pair, sorry, and then pair it up like this, and insert. Then we have this pair, so paired up like this, and insert. And as you can see, we have basically nothing in the top layer, which means that this has to be our last pair. So you can just take it out and then pair it up like this and insert, and then OLL and PLL. Alright, so here's our last scramble. And here yellow is actually better. So what I would do from here is face green and then do R2 B prime R prime, and that solves these three, and then D2 R, and that just finishes off the cross. Then we have this as our first pair, so just spread them up like this and insert. Then we have this pair right here, so just do a U and then take it out and insert. Then we have this pair, so just bring it over to here and then pair it up like this with F moves and then insert it into the back. And we have this as our last pair, so just insert. Now we have OLL and PLL. So yeah, that was the video, and as said before, all the scrambles are going to be in the description, as well as CubeDB reconstructions, so if you want to, then you can check them out. And yeah, that's it.